Hi, it's Kiffin Labates here. So in a previous post I was talking about how blockchain could form the backbone for a patient data management system where you can use the identifying properties or the identity properties of blockchain in order to not just track patients and doctors and nurses, but also even the medical equipment in the form of IoT devices on a blockchain, and actually get time-stamped, reliable, immutable data which would allow you to have an accurate record of a patient's history. And here I have an oximeter that I picked up cheaply off eBay for about 10 euros. I have a more expensive one, but it turns out that they are both equally accurate. And this is the kind of amazing thing that we're seeing now in the medical world, that amazing diagnostic tools are available at very affordable prices. Now, if you took this and you stuck network connectivity and digital signing in it, then it could have a unique identity, and when it's used on a patient, the device could actually report the fact that it has made readings onto the blockchain, and then encrypt and store the resulting data either in a database with a reference to the blockchain or possibly on the blockchain, but I'm not entirely sure that's advisable. And you end up with an IoT enabled medical system. And now we're not there yet, obviously, but the thing is, all the components are there. You can basically get all the parts that you need off the shelf in order to build a system just for tracking, for example, the oxygen saturation of patients, and linking the data together in a reliable manner. Plus, there's the added benefit of giving the patients control over their data so that they can release it to doctors or medical consultants as and when needed for diagnostic purposes, or even anonymizing data in order for researchers to be able to get access to it and hopefully make medical improvements. So as I said in the previous video, I think that this has got to be the way that it's going, and it is incredible that these kind of things are now available at such cheap prices. So I'm expecting to see something major happening in the next 5 years or so. There is always a lag between what is possible and what is actually done, because productizing stuff is much harder than actually building the underlying technology, but we do get there in the end. So anyway, a short post on medical devices and what the future may hold, and in particular how blockchain can play a role in there. Hope you found that interesting. See you in the next video soon. Bye for now.